What's up guys, thanks for tuning in today's video. Very quick installation video. I'm here with Bryce and his newly wrapped E92 M3. Bryce is gonna tell us what we're gonna be doing today.
Alright, so we're gonna be installing the LUX H8 headlights, so like to get the bulb going from orange to bright white. I think it's a really nice mod that can make your car look newer. I haven't seen too many videos of it being installed online, so let's see if GV Customs can make it happen.
Damn, is that a V6? So the first thing you're gonna want to do is disconnect the battery, just in case you are working with electrical components. So make sure that we disconnect the battery. First thing you're gonna do is get a screwdriver, pry this little plastic cover here. It's gonna reveal the very convoluted rat's nest that you have in here.
Like that? Oh, yeah.
There you go. That is the stock bulb right there. Jesus, look how freaking messy that is, dude.
I mean, it wasn't that hard to take off.
You need a cable delete.
Cable delete.
So you can go ahead and disconnect the old bulb.
Or does it feel too easy? Like something's odd.
He's scarred from before. We tried to install his carbon fiber lip. You guys can check out my earlier short that I did on that, but let's go ahead and proceed. All right, so what you're gonna do is get the newly and improved bulb, right?
Yeah.
Connect it over here and just stuff this box in this nest here. You know, hopefully it doesn't like...
Yeah, that's a lot of
cables.
I don't know how I'm gonna put that in.
And very simply, you just go ahead.
I have thin fingers, so...
Thin fingers? Yeah. Mine are not that chunkier. So basically just find a way to put in the bulb in the housing and then just twist it to the right because the left is to undo. There we go, guys. We were able to tighten it there. That's how it looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little test run right now. Woo! Sheesh! What a difference.
Huh?
What a difference, guys. Look at that. Look at this. Nice and bright. Makes it look a lot more modern. So we're gonna go ahead and repeat the same process on this side, and we'll go ahead and update you when we complete it. Again, it makes it look so much more newer. It kind of looks like your old ones were like the base trim, and this is like the premium package. Look at that, guys. Really does transform the front of the car. Okay guys, so that was a pretty easy and quick installation video on how to change the front headlights and make them look from the factory ugly yellow orange to this really nice and pristine looking white. All right guys, so if you found this video informative and entertaining, go ahead and like this video. If you guys enjoy my content overall, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Don't forget to put the notification bell so you don't miss any of these quick how-to videos or any of my other videos. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.